can I say? It was a very overwhelming goal. Excited.
All right. You had over 45 goals in the schoolgirl competition. What's the aim for the Reggae Girls? Do you have a target?
Target to be like Bunny, one day.
And
Just
you always say your mother motivates you. Would you say that you dedicated this goal to her?
most definitely.
And going forward, what are your hopes in terms of like a career? You know you said you want to be like Bunny, but could you expound on that for me, please?
Just continue playing football that I love, you know. Look at other players, look up to me as much as I look up to other players, you know.
And I know you hear from the Newlands community. How would you hope like your performance tonight would motivate them to, rise up out of the violent community that they're a part of?
I mean, it motivates them, but can't take them out tight unless they want to. They can just look up to me as just a normal player, but if they want to, they can do it just like I did.
And you're in grade 11 now?
12,
Grade
6,
12.
yeah.
And how are your preparations for the CAPE exams coming up since you have to balance football and school?
It's not that bad, still getting the notes and everything. Just got to prepare for whatever, because at the end of the day, just have to do what we have to do.
All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.